Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we received a parcel with a handy tool. So let's start the unboxing experience. First thing first, we have to open the parcel box carefully. I prefer to use a sharp knife just to do all the unboxing. Okay, this video is about a thermal camera made by FLIR company. This model is a FLIR One, which is compatible only with Apple iPhone and iPad products. Okay, let's start the unboxing. Inside of the main FLIR One box, we got another nice high quality box which is taped on the side. So please take careful care if you want to keep it for longer time. Just cut the tape from the sides before you are going to open it. Inside the white case, we got the heat manual with important notes, one FLIR One series manual started, and a thank you letter from the general manager of FLIR company, which is pretty nice to be honest. On the bottom of the thermal camera is the USB Type-C charging port and the switch on and off button. Bear in mind to charge it before you are going to use it and configure it, of course. On the side of the main box, we can find one genuine USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. However, on each newer FLIR One box, we can find also one carrying case for the thermal camera, so you can travel with it while you can keep it away from the scratches and any other damages. Also inside of the black case, you can keep the thermal camera and the USB cable safe and secured. Now let me show you how to configure it. First thing first, you have to download the FLIR One app. Now let's plug the camera into my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And voila, the camera gets synchronized quickly with the FLIR One thermal camera, and you can start fixing your motherboards and so on. Moreover, it also shows a notification when the battery is low from the thermal camera and needs to be charged. And also, as you can see, it has a middle pointer that shows the temperature of the objects that you are interested to find their temperature. At the end, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and please feel free to support this YouTube channel by hitting the like button, subscribe for more videos and updates, and let me ask you a question. What type of thermal camera are you using for your fixing as a fixing tool? So please write down your comments and see you next time.